Hi there and welcome back to another video in our series. Now today I'm gonna talk to you about bubble images. I'm sure you are aware of this already, this new feature, but if you're not, what are these bubble images and how can you use them in your designs? That's what we're gonna learn today. So to find the bubble images, we go to Cliparts, okay, and look at the new section. It's gonna load. Scroll down a little bit, you can find the bubble images here. Click on view all, and here are the bubble images. I'm sure you've seen these kind of images in a lot of different places. If you're a marketer and if you've been looking at funnel pages, I'm sure you've seen these kind of images on those websites. Other than that, you will find these kind of images on thumbnails, book covers, Facebook ads, and some of these places where you really need to capture attention quickly. That's what these images are used for. Okay, so I'm just going to click on some of these and show you what they look like, and then we'll look at some examples. Here's one. Let's click on another one. Here's another. And this is exactly how you would add them to your design. Just click on them and they get added to your design. Here's one more. And notice that all these images either have these people in some kind of expression. So when you're designing your project, make sure you find the image that reciprocates with the expression you're looking for. If it's sad, if it's happy, normally you look for happy ones, and I'm sure all of these are happy, excited, surprised, those kind of expressions, and those work very well. Take a look at this. Sorry. Okay, so you've got all these happy people. Here's one more, and then we look at the examples. Okay, if you're looking at some make money online kind of project, then here is something that you can use for that. All right, enough of these examples. Now let's go look at an example of how you would use them in your designs. Let's look at some YouTube thumbnail designs. So I've got my YouTube project open. These are all the templates on the left hand side. They look good as they are. You just click on any of them and edit a little bit of the text and you're done. This is one of the templates from here. If you look at it here, education and science, practical tips, this is what it is. Now I want to use a bubble image instead of this. This is also good. This is kind of like a bubble image, but it's actually a cutout image. So if I use a bubble image, what would it look like? Take a look. All right, here's a bubble image and a modification to the text. House buying tips. Learn the insider tricks of real estate agents and strike better deals with them. Of course, you would want this, right? That's the bubble image. It's like a secret. Let's look at one more example. This is a thumbnail about yoga, and I think I got it from here somewhere. Let's see. Here it is, yoga. And this is what I changed it to. Easy workout routines, fitness training, workout with me daily. And here's the bubble image. This is the bubble image. And I didn't make too many changes. I just overlaid it on top of the existing one. Just all that I did was I removed this image, this cutout image, and I put my bubble image there. And that's it. It's a new design. One more example. Okay, this is from the templates here. I got this and I changed it to this. Just subtle change. And notice that in this one I didn't change any of the text. I just didn't want to create one from scratch, so I just use the same text. Here's one more. It's a food thumbnail, and this is what I changed it to. Okay, there's a person there who's in the kitchen cutting some fruits or vegetables, and then there's food all around him. It suddenly makes this a lot different, right? Here's one more example. 10 secret steps to success. I didn't change any of the text, and in the modified version I didn't change it either. So let's take a look. Okay, 10 secret steps to success, and this looks like it's steps to profit. Let's change that, steps to profit. And there you go. You've got a completely new, unique design. Because it looks all the same, the blue and all that, so you can change those colors to whatever you like by clicking on these individual template items. Okay, so these are a few examples of how you'd use bubble images in YouTube thumbnails. Now let's take a look at some ebook covers. Here's an ebook cover that I got from the templates here. It should be somewhere at the top here. You can see it. It's a good cover. I like this cover. Okay, where did that go? Here it is. Okay, so this whole thing is one big collection of icons, so it's easy to delete. I like covers which have these kind of elements. Some covers you'd see have individual elements in them which make up the entire graphic, and you have to click on each of them to delete. If you happen to find something like that, take your time to delete all those, or just overlay it completely with a bubble image. I'll show you what I mean. Here's the modified version. It looks too simple. I don't think it looks very attractive, but this is what you can do. And here's one more design. Stock investing, you've got this one. This looks cool. Looks a little dull, if I may ask. No, if you may ask me, but it's a very good image nevertheless. And here's a modified version. Stock investing for newbies, and I just changed this, added this bubble text. Now notice that I didn't remove any of those elements here because all those are individual ones, and I don't have the patience to remove all of them, select and delete. So all that I did was added an image and covered it completely, and it looks like it was never there. That's another way to use these bubble images. Now I'm sure you can find a lot more use cases to use these bubble images, especially in your ad creatives, images, Facebook, or for mainly Facebook, Instagram if you are using them, or for Pinterest. Pinterest pins also can be designed like this. They're good. So I want you to go in, explore them. Once again, let me show you where to find them. Go to Cliparts. Okay, when you go to Cliparts, you'll come to this window, scroll down a little bit, find bubble images, click on that, and you should have all your bubble images right here. There's plenty to choose from. Thanks to Jasper and team for getting this added in for us. Now our designs will be a lot more professional looking. All the best, and go ahead, enjoy, explore this option, and create fantastic designs with Plasfy. See you in the next one.